Good morning, good morning, good morning. Say good morning, old feisty. Good morning. Look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful view. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous morning here on Come On Mountain. Domino's all amped up. It's a nice, cooler morning, although I am in shorts and a t-shirt. The sun will be coming out very soon. It's right over there. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Walking over here to the boneyard because I'm in the middle of a big old project. And trying to get this finished up today so I can get it out to y'all tomorrow on Come On Homesteading. We also got a live tonight on Come On Homesteading. I went down this morning, switched out the cards in the hunting area, and checked out that whole area. Not a lot of movement. I haven't had a chance to really do a lot of hunting this year so far. I'm going to try to get out there in the morning and do a little setting, and maybe even this evening. But we'll see. My top priority is getting this project I'm working on. I think y'all are really going to like this one. It's nice. It's nice. I've been wanting to do this for a little while. And I started on it Friday. And then I went and hung out with Margarita Friday night and Saturday. And put that video out yesterday on here and Come On Homesteading. Which of course got some comments because I was joking around about Margarita's driving. Even though in my opinion, your partner's supposed to be your best friend. And if you can't joke around with your best friend and your partner, man, that makes for a boring relationship. And she teases me about things and I tease her about things, and we had an absolutely great day. I thought it was a very fun day, fun video. And but of course there's always some stick in the muds that think that you can't have no sense of humor and can't mess around with everybody. This world's way too sensitive these days, in my opinion. I like good banter back and forth, and I like being able to have somebody that I can laugh at and that can give it just as well as take it. And trust me, guys, she gives it. She talks about me being old and all kinds of stuff. She's a great woman, though. There's not much I can give her a hard time about because she is so awesome. But driving is definitely something I mess with her about. If y'all remember, she drove my truck like 50 feet about a year ago and ran over my air compressor in the yard. So that's kind of where the whole driving thing kind of stemmed from. But we had an absolute blast. It was a great day. Really, really enjoyed it. We seen some really cool things. A lot of stuff didn't film. A lot of stuff wasn't on camera because we was just kind of in the moment. I'm out here looking for some things for this project right now in the shed, and I don't know exactly where it's at, guys. It's got to be somewhere. Got to be somewhere. Getting closer to the guys' fishing trip, our little annual trout fishing trip, and I've got Levi's tickets booked. He'll be here in 2 weeks as of today. And he's going to stay at least a week. He was hinting around last night about actually staying a little bit longer. I got to put y'all down for 1 second. Hold on. Hold on. Had to open up the shed. But yeah, he's thinking about even staying longer than a week, which would be absolutely awesome. I love spending time with my son and him coming to visit. A lot has changed since he's been here, for sure. So looking forward to that. Really looking forward to this fishing trip. It's gonna be a good time. A good time. I have a whole thing full of drill bits somewhere. And I don't remember exactly where I put them. That's what we're looking for. Have y'all seen the drill bits? I'm looking for the drill bits. Let's see here. Yep. Still need to come in here and finish organizing all of this. But everything is up and out of the way. And not getting weathered, and that's the main thing. But I still have a couple of things in the gorilla cart, and wheelbarrow is just kind of piled in there. I think I'm ending up needing 2 hands to do a little digging. A little digging. Here's one of my things. Maybe this will work. I don't know if there's bits big enough. Oh yeah, there's bits big enough. That'll work. I think that one will work just fine. Alright, so I got one of the 2 things that I'm looking for. I'm also going to need, Pop's got me these big old stakes for staking down some things. And I need that for the project that I'm working on. Good morning, Domino. Yeah, if you get to run around the mountain, chase me around, it's a good day, huh? It's kind of a slow start day. I've been up for quite a while, a long time. So I haven't had to really be in a hurry to get going. Just been kind of chipping away at things. Checked some emails and stuff this morning. I believe the other things that I'm looking for are over there by the cabin. I'm gonna zip that back up. All the animals are doing good. Hold on, I gotta zip the other one up. There we go. Just in case we have a goat escape. Don't need another goat catastrophe. Which they've been doing good. They have gotten out twice since I've done that pen. But that's just them finding the weak spots, which I've addressed on both times. And they are staying in place now, so all is good. There's old Midnight and Domino playing. Domino, why are you chasing Midnight? Midnight, get her. Get her, Midnight. Them two are crazy. See, I don't need another cat. I got a Domino. Domino and Midnight play all the time. You gonna get him, Midnight? Get him, Midnight. Good morning. Good morning, sweetheart. What are you doing? You want some attention? You want some attention? Come on, let's walk. The old goat area is looking good. Look at them too. I did have another dozer guy out here Friday to do a walk around about this area right here for the shop. They're about a week out, they said. But I believe that I'll be having them out here in about a week, hopefully about a week. I need to get that area cleared and leveled so I can get a slab poured for the shop. So that's coming here soon. Just keeping myself busy until that big project starts. Somebody's got a lot of energy today. Also want to take that thing out. The weather's starting to cool down, so it's about to be crappie or speckled perch, whatever you want to call it, season. And that's my favorite freshwater fish, so definitely need to get on that soon. Y'all wonder why Domino lost so much weight? Right there. Sitting there playing with midnight. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? I love mornings like this, guys, on the mountain. Animals playing, beautiful weather. It's good stuff. But I think I'm going to wrap it up, guys. I need to get to work. But I love every single one of y'all. I will see y'all tonight on the live. Hopefully y'all have a great start to your week. Do something nice for somebody. Take another step closer to your goals, but keep it real. Come on.